Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Friday, December 10th, 9:12 in the morning. I just got back from my F45 class. It was so good. Today was hybrid and it was a true hybrid class. A lot of times it's just strictly cardio, which is a lot sometimes, especially when you do cardio like 1 to 2 days a week, but I really enjoyed it. I'm drinking yesterday's pod today because I didn't end up having one. I went to Starbucks to edit around 11 in the morning, so I just got a coffee there. This one is a double espresso shot. I'm not too sure how I feel about it. I'm gonna give this one like a 6 because I don't love it. Compared to Bianca Lagero, it's just not that good. Also don't think there's enough ice in it. I didn't really know what I kind of had a brain fart when I was making my coffee and I was like, wait, I didn't froth the milk or warm it up. So then I just poured cold milk into the espresso shot and I was like, well, fuck, now I need to add ice. It is what it is. I am just going to sit here and do some work. You guys know the drill. Every morning is pretty much the same for me. I'm gonna answer some emails and whatnot, and I'll talk to you guys when I'm doing something more exciting. Hi guys, it is 11:20 right now and I just got in the car. I'm about to run over to the post office to drop off this huge box. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would know that I ran a giveaway with Garage to win pretty much everything I featured in my recent gift guide with them, and I picked the winner a few days ago, so I'm gonna ship this out. I'm really happy for her to receive them. Her name's Paula, shout out to her. Just know that I remember you guys. If you DM me a lot and you're always commenting on my stuff, like, I remember your names and I just really appreciate your support. The winner, she is just so supportive of me, so I'm really happy that it was her. So yeah, I'm gonna ship that off, and then I also have to ship off a Poshmark order. Someone ordered my Aries phone case. I don't have any bags because I don't want to just put it in a plastic bag because I don't want it to get damaged, so I'm just gonna buy a little bag there. Hopefully they have ones that are like padded with the bubble wrap. Yeah, that is the game plan right now. Also, here's a little OOTD. I have on this Princess Polly coat. I'm obsessed with it. I'll have it linked down below. You guys would have seen it in my recent video. This Aritzia crew neck, airy flare leggings, and just my white shadows headband. Very casual, comfy, which is what I always am wearing. It's actually not that cold today. It is 10 degrees. Weather's been super hot and cold these days. Back in the car, I just picked up 2 things from Shoppers, like makeup products. Firstly being this foundation. I've heard really good things about it. I'm pretty sure I've used it in the past, and as of right now, I just use my tinted moisturizer for everything, but I wanted something with a little bit more coverage, and I have been going out recently. I hope this is the right shade. I didn't really know. I'm never good at picking the right shade, but I got 120 Classic Ivory. I don't know. I guess we'll see. I don't think you can return it if it doesn't work, but I think it should be fine. Let's hope so. And that was like $11. That foundation's so affordable. And I also picked up the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. It's just like a clear brow gel, just for no makeup days to set them in place. Okay, besties, I'm back home and I'm gonna open up my Amazon package for you guys. Then I am going to film my everyday makeup routine. And then I have a sponsored haul, which you guys will see in the next clip. But I just wanted to unbox this first because I want to use something in it. So if you guys watched my last vlog, you would know that I ordered a few things on Amazon. I'll have them linked down below if you guys are interested, but I just got some gel pens. I thought they were the brand Muji, which is what I wanted, but I don't think they are, so that's great, but I'm sure they're still fine. They had good reviews. Next, I just got this daily notepad planner for the new year. Honestly, didn't expect it to be this big. I thought it was gonna be like a quarter of it. I'm actually thankful that it's bigger so I have a lot more room. And then lastly, this is what I wanted to use. I got this pack of 2 because there wasn't an option for one. Comes with a pick on the end because I don't have one. Then I also have a Christmas present that we will wrap later. It's my dad's. Anyway, I will talk to you guys in the next clip with a haul. Okay guys, I'm back. My makeup is done. You guys will have definitely seen that video before this vlog, but I will have it linked if you guys have not seen it. But I just want to thank Lorna Jane for sponsoring this portion of the video. They are a women's premium activewear brand made by women for women. Lorna Jane is 100% Australian owned and have been producing high quality activewear since 1989. Their brand is all about empowering women to live their best life through their active living philosophy. I will have Lorna Jane linked in the description box if you guys want to check them out. But I have 6 pieces here that I'm so excited to share with you guys. If you watch the vlogs, working out is a huge part of my life, so I'm always so excited when I get to try out a new brand. And you guys can get 20% off their whole website with my code TAKE20. So I got 2 of the same sets, just in different colors. So at the top is called the Pammy sports bra and the bottom is called the Lotus bike short. I got the bike shorts in an extra small and the tops in a small. This is like a beautiful orangey coral color, and this is a nice turquoisey teal. The colors are stunning and they are such high quality. I'm super excited to try these on. And then I picked up a pair of black leggings in a size extra small as well. Let me find the name of these. It's called the High Fold Lotus Ankle Biter Leggings. They have the Lorna Jane logo on the back, and I really like that they're cropped because I am short, so they won't bunch up at the bottom. I actually don't have too many black leggings, so I'm excited for that. And then lastly, I picked up a tank top. This is called the Edgy Rib Bra, and I got this in a size extra small. It's in the most beautiful baby blue color. I love the structure and design of it. It's like a racer style. I actually don't have a lot of workout tops. I usually just wear a bra, so I'm very excited about this. Here is what the set looks like on. I honestly probably could have done an extra small in the top as well, but I got a small just to be safe. It could be a little bit tighter, but I know the small will still be fine. I really love that the bike shorts are a little bit longer, so you can obviously like pull them up if that is more your vibe. I really like the thick waistband here, just really sucks everything in. This is like my favorite style of sports bra. It's super supportive and it covers a lot. I don't know if you guys can see, but the back is so nice. I really like how they connect in the middle. I've been wanting an orange workout set for a while. It's one of my favorite colors. This color as well is so beautiful. Also, these sports bras come with the padding, but I just like to take them out because I don't find it comfortable. And the paddings actually push up. I love me a good matching set. I just feel so confident and excited to work out when I have one on. Finishing off, we just have the tank top and the leggings on. I cannot believe how comfortable these leggings are. They seriously feel like butter. If you guys are wondering, I'm 5'3", so they're like the perfect length on me. I just put the tank top over top of the other sports bra I was wearing. I really like that it's high neck because I am fuller chested, so if I am opting to wear a tank top, I want it to cover me. I think this would be perfect for like upper body because, you know, you'll be like bending down, maybe like doing rows or whatnot. The extra small fits perfectly. Everything just fits me like a glove. I'm so impressed. I'll have these 6 pieces that I just showed you guys linked down below along with Lorna Jane's website if you guys want to check them out. And you can also use my 20% off discount code. Thank you, Lorna Jane, for sponsoring this portion of the vlog. And let's get back into it. Hi. Dads are really hard to shop for, so he sent us a backpack that he wanted that he has not bought yet because it was really expensive. So we got it for him, and I was scared it wasn't gonna come in time, but we Gucci. What? Don't look at me like that. What do you want? Good morning. Happy Sunday. I didn't vlog yesterday, but that's okay. We're gonna pick it up today. It's like, what time is it? I always tell you guys the time because I just feel like it's very relevant. It's 12:14 and I am about to clean and organize my clothes and maybe try to find some stuff to list on Poshmark. I like to do this every few months just because I do have like a lot of clothes coming into my wardrobe and I just like to be on top of it, and if I don't wear it, it gets taken out of the lineup just to make more space. I also need to figure out a better system for all of my sweaters. It is driving me insane, like knitwear, because I don't know what to do with it. As of right now, I just have, oh my god, like look how messy my closet is. It's driving me crazy. I have some there, and then the rest of my knits I have in those 2 drawers, but they're overflowing, so I don't know what to do. I'm gonna need to figure something else out, maybe put more of them in my closet, but the plan of action is going to be just going through everything and just refolding things because it's just very messy. I also just put in a load of laundry, so like that's where my laundry basket would have been. And I'm washing my sheets right now as Tinsel is laying in bed. Hi, Diva. She's so cute right now. Young Money. Nicki Minaj. Justin. Show you off. Tonight I wanna show you off. What you got? Okay, I'm done. It might not look that different to you guys, but I can definitely tell. So I moved my sweatpants to the back there and then moved that over, put my jeans there, which made more room for sweaters. So I took some of the sweaters out of those drawers and moved them here. These are all my thrifted sweaters. It's a really weird system I got going on, but it works for me. And then I have my graphic tees, and then I just kind of like went through everything and just picked out a few things that I don't wear anymore, and then I just organized everything up there. For the drawers here, I just have all of my cardigans here and then all of my thicker sweaters down here. It will work for now, and then like I said, I moved my thrifted sweaters from there into there, and then these are all the clothes that I'm listing on my Poshmark. So I will have my Poshmark link down below if you guys want to shop anything.